One thing that we haven't seen with Fluent API is changing the table name or column name. Again, in order to do that, you need the entity and the class on which you want to do the functionality change. And for table name change, you have .toTable. For column name, first you need to select the property, and then we have .hasColumnName there. Let's try both of them out. Let me switch back to the project. And this time, let me go to the AppDB context. Let me bring back our categories table. So we'll bring that back here, the categories. And if we take a look at category, here we have key data annotation. So this time we'll see how we can use a combination of data annotation as well as Fluent API. Key will be set using data annotation and rest will set using Fluent API. So we'll go to the application DB context, and right here, let me do that. The first thing here, category, table name, and column name. Here we'll say model builder.entity, and it will be on the category. Now here, in order to change the table name, we have .toTable, and we need to pass the table name. So we can say TBL_category. Then let me change the name of the column from name to category name. So model builder, there we go, .entity, category, we need to select property. We'll use the lambda expression. We have the hasColumnName. We'll give the new name here as category name. Once you save this, let's add a new migration. I will call it add category with a mix of data annotation and Fluent API. And let's examine this. We have the primary key, which is based off the data annotation. And then the name of the table has been changed to TBL category. And the column name is category name, that is from Fluent API. Let's update the database and examine this in SQL Server. Let me refresh the tables. And we have the category as TBL category. If we expand this with columns, we have category ID and category name. So you can see how easily we can mix and match both data annotations as well as Fluent API if required.